Hey, what's going on, you guys? Well, I have returned. And from what I can see now, I don't know how far this goes back. Yeah, that looks like it's getting to be about 3 foot deep, at least. Yep. It's gonna go up into my boots again. Try not to churn up all the silt and mud so I could see my way back while I'm doing this. Whoa, I'm gonna have to hang on to the wall. Yep, there it goes. Officially in my boots again. Ooh. Yeah, it's already up to my knees. That's my driver radioing back. Make sure that I'm okay. Yeah, see, that's the problem, is you get this stuff all... Hello? Wow. Oh, it's up past my knees now. Holy shit. Ooh. It's up to my thighs now, and this water is cold. Yep, now as you can see, I'm churning stuff up. It may not appear to be that sketchy watching this in the video, but believe you me, it is, oh wow, pardon my language, it's almost up to my balls. Holy shit. Wow. This is so major, treacherous trying to walk on this stuff. Ooh, that's definitely got to be, I would probably go up to my chest in that one. Appears to be getting more and more shallow, going this way. Wow. If there's any kids watching this, don't do stuff like this. It's dangerous. I have to stick along this wall. Yep. It's up to my crotch. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, wow. Yep, it's up to my waist. That's as far back as it goes. So, I'm gonna go ahead and make my way out of here. I'll have to get something that floats, because this is definitely not safe. That's where I was at the other day. Wow. Oh. feet are getting stuck. Well, you guys, that wasn't as epic as I thought it would be. But I can tell by looking over there, I'd be up to my chest. I better get out of here too, because it's looking like it might rain. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.